witness did this one. I said, let's go.
Yeah, what up, AP?
What's happening, Dev? Let's hit this shit, nigga.
This motherfucker shoot somebody.
Cause that's what I do. I kill motherfuckers, you know that?
Man, you know what it is.
Bitch, I'm a motherfucking dog when it comes to stacking this paper up. I'm in the trenches with dirt on my boots and they don't lace up. I steps with the weather for niggas thinking to take us. I leave a nigga stankin' in that vacant bacon, ain't no running. My mob brazy and deranged when it's time to ride. Don't talk a lot, just know we certified to commit homicide. Y'all slippery sliding, double fully loaded, leaving hollows flying. Skirt off and spin right back, a lot of you niggas dying. Cause when it's on, fake niggas break and hesitate. I gotta keep it on me today, I don't might be my last. Shit get brazy lately. Them ops been trying to get one up, can't let them wake and bake me. And if I catch one of them slipping, I'ma up burst and blast. Leave they ass in the past, murder dancing, mad dash like I'm running the race. Or be in another state watching cake news, catching a late break. Ain't no shells or no leaves, no case, I'm counting cake. Stash it in the floor safe and kick back while rolling my tree up, drinking on the Modelo. Chopping it on my Mobello, about another plater, get another opposition out the way. Wet work or murder for hire and I'm about my pay.
Think it's about time that a nigga give me mine. I catch 9 from the 9, Colombian necktie on your front line. Murder any and everything in my way, I'm front line.
You see this pole on me, this drink got my words slurring. Wrong move, I might purse something. So cut it, keep them bowls coming. Slime steady with them poles jumping. Need my payment up front, you can't hold nothing. You see this pole on this drink got my words slurring. Wrong move, I might purse something. So cut it, keep them bowls coming. Slime steady with them poles jumping. Need my payment up front, you can't hold nothing. It's a new year and a new day. This bitch nash. Girls gon' wild, but this ain't Blu-ray. Ballin' out the arena, no game. This ain't 2K. Ass bitch mad, why? Cause I got a new bae. Streets for kids, silly rapping, Paul on my hip, mandatory. It's part of my fashion, mama, I'm not with the acting. When I step outside, it's lights, camera action. Double up on the bag, know that I'm tasking this for the whole 32. Call this bitch magic, I say it to your face. I don't do no capping. That's my brother, different daddy, different murder. Throw the gloves and we mad at each other. Really finna slum, 6'4", dick in your bitch mouth like a mouth guard. Wake up in the morning and I thank God. Roll a leaf, it's time to reflect. To all of my fallen soldiers, more respect. Took off like a jet. Money and power before death. We fucking bitch, take a guess. Now she telling homegirls that AP a mess. Yo, you see this pole on this drink, got my words slurring. Wrong move, I might purse something. Toe cut it, keep them bowls coming. Slime steady with them poles jumping. Need my payment up front, you can't hold nothing. You see this pole on this drink, got my words slurring. Wrong move, I might purse something. Toe cut it, keep them bowls coming. Slime steady with them poles jumping. Need my payment up front, you can't hold